Yesterday, Microsoft dropped a bombshell that sent shockwaves through the programming community. The beloved TypeScript language is getting a complete makeover, and the language they chose for the rewrite, it's not C++, it's not Rust, it's not even Microsoft's own C#. No, they picked a language that no one saw coming, and wait till you hear why. TypeScript is a cornerstone of modern web development. It makes JavaScript more predictable, adding static types to catch errors before your code even runs. But TypeScript had a dirty little secret. The very compiler that powers it was written in TypeScript itself. Sounds poetic, right? Except that created a major problem. You see, TypeScript wasn't built for low-level optimization. As projects grew, so did the compile times. Developers found themselves staring at their screens, waiting and waiting and waiting. The culprit? TypeScript's own limitations when handling things like direct memory access and native multithreading. So Microsoft made a bold decision: rewrite the TypeScript compiler. But what language could handle the job? C++? Too complex. Rust? Too new. Python? Don't even think about it. Instead, they turned to Go, a language built by Google, Microsoft's longtime rival. Why Go? Well, Go is designed for speed and simplicity. Unlike TypeScript, Go is compiled directly into machine code, making it incredibly fast. It also handles concurrency effortlessly, meaning it can juggle multiple tasks at once without slowing down. Plus, its memory management system makes it easier to avoid the kinds of performance bottlenecks that plagued the old compiler. And the results? Nothing short of mind-blowing. The new Go-powered compiler cuts compile times by tenfold. VS Code projects that used to take 70 seconds to compile now take just 7. Massive projects will feel smoother, faster, and more responsive. No more coffee breaks while waiting for your code to build. But here's the kicker: Microsoft isn't changing TypeScript itself. The syntax, the features, the error messages we've all come to love and hate, those stay the same. The rewrite is purely under the hood, meaning your existing projects will work just fine. They'll just work faster. However, we won't be seeing these changes overnight. Microsoft plans to roll out the new compiler with TypeScript 7, and it could take months or even years before we fully transition. But make no mistake, when it arrives, it will be a game changer. So, Microsoft using a Google-made language to supercharge one of their most important tools. That's a plot twist no one expected. But if it means faster compile times and a smoother development experience, who are we to complain? What do you think about Microsoft's decision to rewrite TypeScript in Go? Is it a smart move, or should they have gone with something else? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the tech world. Until next time, happy coding!